All right. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen across the world. It is 2 minutes past 10 a.m. here in East Africa, the Pearl of Africa. I know we are just few on this platform, but soon we are getting started. So I just want you to share this link with your friend, with your neighbor. Let us get in and understand, ladies and gentlemen, how we can be able to fix the IP address of Royal Q to your Binance. My name is Julius. I'm greeting you from Uganda, but specifically now I'm greeting you in this side of Western Uganda, in one of the districts, the side known as Rupungirio, KIC. One of my friend from that side of Zimbabwe is saying, what name is that? But don't worry. Just at home, we are soon getting started. Let us share the link and let us get into our morning training. Welcome, Simbusiwe. I think this is from South Africa. Welcome, okay, Martin Murenga. I think this is which country? Okay. I think also that side of South Africa or Botswana. Welcome, Margaret Livia. I think also Botswana. Welcome, Gideon. So happy to have you. So we are getting started. Share the link, and we are streaming live onto our YouTube channel. So sooner than later, we shall be kicking off. All right, ladies and gentlemen, happy to have you this morning. My name is Julius. It's a pleasure to have you. Today and yesterday, I'm still having a long journey, but I want usually to make sure that we are into business and we have things that are happening time over time. My internet may not be stable 100%. That's why I will be working with one of the leaders in Masaka. That is one of our leaders, Mr. Abe, who will be taking us through just a few steps that are very, very important. But before he comes in, I want him to take over this morning how to do the API binding, how to do what we call replacing of the API. So the new formula that we have from RoyalQ is that the API is expiring on the 26th, the IP address. The IP address for Hobby and for Binance is expiring on the 26th of this month. So we are making sure that our API addresses are fixed through the API binding, what we call the application programming interface that allows two applications to communicate to one another. So this morning, ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome you all. I see Abe, I see Abraham, I see Bahati, Boniswa, Brian, Dennis, Gideon, Golden, Stephen, Lamika from Kenya, Magara Slivia, Martin, okay, Princess, and all great leaders available this morning. I see our great leader, Nulbrook, Mom, Monica, okay, Rose, Sky, leader Theta from Namibia, no, from Botswana, Thomas. I see Nelson and I see Princess. Happy to have you this morning. I'll be coming in here. I see one of our great leader Moni from Botswana. It has been a long time. I'm not into my usual area. I'm into Western Uganda. And I'm traveling deep away from where I am to one of the districts close to where I am. I'm almost near to one of the districts known as Rwanda. Cannot be taken to that area. I'll be crossing into another district, deep, that is Kanungu district. So my network will be cutting off, but I'll be answering your questions here. So I will mute myself and give the microphone to Mr. Abe, who's going to take us through the API binding. Thank you, everybody. Welcome, Mr. Abe, sir. Could you take over?
Right. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. From wherever you're joining, nice to have you everyone here. In my country, time check just 14 minutes past 10 a.m. That is Uganda, the power of Africa. I'm just seated in Masaka City here. Speaking to you live. I know everyone here is ready to learn something that is very important for us to understand in this business. And of course, we only need to just keep a keen watch, you understand? And then we get to understand this. I know we have very many people here. I've been watching this, maybe we have so many of it. So this is why tonight we are here to learn about this wonderful session of the API binding, ladies and gentlemen. So I know that okay, people are here ready to learn. You know, so good job. And ladies and gentlemen, if I'm very loud and clear to you, you can go into the chat room, throw in a message that I'm loud and clear, right? Just go into the chat room, throw in loud and clear, because I might know that my network.
You're loud and clear. The challenge is here, you will not be able to see the chat room.
Okay. So, okay, now I'm going to be sharing my screen down here, ladies and gentlemen, so we can sink into the understanding of the API binding. You need to understand that here we are trying to create a communication between the two applications now, because this business is very simple. You get the RAQ, it is a full application. You also get the wallet or the exchanger, which can be the Binance or the Huobi, depending on your country. For some countries, Binance is not compatible. For some countries, Huobi, but for my country, both of them are fine. Now, we are going to be looking at that of Binance, specifically because I know very many people are interested in using that application, which is down here. Then, looking at my API binding, at my application, I will not be untying. I will just be replacing. Okay. This is my RAQ down here. That is my screen for everyone that is watching. And this is my RAQ down here. So I'm just going to be showing you how we can do the API binding for the Binance specifically. So here you can see that it is already binding. If I open here, you see I have both of the applications, and you can see that the Binance is already bound. Okay, so I'm not going to untie, but what I will do is to replace. Okay, and then you can see the button there. So it means that I'm going to be replacing, just like here. Then I do, or I take the blue button. All right, that is it. Now that's it. And open my Binance. Okay, all right. Let me just locate it. Let's go this way. Okay, I'll be opening my Binance here. So you just need to watch everything as we do this. All right. So you have to make sure that your Binance is in the Pro version. Okay. So if it is in the light version, you turn it to Pro version, because that is the side we need to watch. I know you are just following the steps. Okay. So after turning it to Pro, you saw how I did that. Then you tap the more button there. Then here you go at the API management down here. So you see Battle, we have API management, we have hotels, we have Binance, whatever management here. You tap it. Also, they are telling me to load. All right. I'll log in, no problem. Shall take this. All right. Well, they want me to use the phone now. It's okay, have no problem. So I'm just logging in. I know I may not be able to see that because Binance is a bit restrictive, network failure. I'll do it again. Let me see. Okay. All right. I'll log in again. Don't worry. As we wait a little bit. So you just need to understand this. There's no a lot of techniques. You just need to understand. Just follow the steps as we do it together. So if you're having another device, you can be doing the same thing. Right? that I'm doing here. Oh, the network is failing to log in. Let me try it once again. They're telling me network failure. I don't know what the problem is. Let me just try to continue. Okay. I'm logging in, guys, don't worry. You know, a lot of security, but that's okay. That is how Binance behaves. They just want to make sure that everything is in line. So they're sending the code here. I just need to check it out. 541856. Okay, 541856. I'll fill it here so it can run. Okay, it was 541856. Am I right? Okay. Oh, okay. So now we continue with the API management button down here. And when you tap it, hope people are watching me and they are following the steps. I was just trying to log in, you know, it was not logged in, and that's okay. So here, you tap the API management button, like we have taught, and then we want to do the API binding. So when you reach this step here, I'll first of all delete everything because I want to do it once again. I get a point? So there we go. It means I'm now redoing it. Okay, so I just tap here because I'm going to do API binding with the royal queue. So I will write royal queue. I will write royal queue. Then I tap the create button like that. So they will ask me to verify. You know, with Binance, hey, you must do so. I will first pick the email. I'll first pick the email. So I come to the email this side. I look for where they have sent the email. So it means the email address must be valid. So the email, so they are showing me. Okay. All right, then I come and copy the code. Then I take it, I just minimize the page and I go back here, Binance. Then I paste the code. Then I also ask for that of the phone number or for the line. Then I also, you know, with Binance, that is how it runs. The message comes in there. It is 258951, 258951, 258951. Okay, 258159. Am I right? Okay, we go ahead. Oh, so I entered the wrong code. I miscopied the code. Oh, it was 56. Sorry. I'll do it again. Don't worry. I'll do it again. When you copy a wrong code, it means you're going back. So I'm creating another one. Okay, I'll pick the email, no problem. You just learn to minimize this. Okay, I come here and I tap the back button because I need to get the new one that was sent. You can even refresh a bit. Then I copy the code. Just like that. I copy, then I come and paste here. and I'll ask for this. As we wait for the code, that's it. So we're waiting to have a new one. Okay, I'll minimize and just pick it this side because seems to not show here, but that's okay. Side, okay, here we go. Let me just tap it here, then I'll copy. So this is the letter, and I go first. Oh, okay. Let us just do it again, don't worry. API management down here. Okay. Okay, we write Reiki. Then we create. We pick the code. Minimize. Email address. Come and copy. Let me call you later. I'm busy. I'm in a meeting. Have a meeting. Let me call you again. Thank you. Sorry about that. Someone was interrupting here with a phone call. Someone interrupted with the phone call here. Okay. We continue. Shall we do it again? Until we do it, don't worry. Just keep a keen eye so that you can learn. All right, Rick, once again. You tap the create button. We shall go for the code from the email. We shall copy. Sorry, I don't know what to do. No matter what it takes, we have to do it. We have to do it. We have to get it done. Don't worry. No matter what it takes. Okay. Shall go back here. All right. Mm-hmm.
Mr. Abe, we can't hear you, sir.
You can't hear me?
Your network is cutting.
Hello?
Okay, now better, we hear you.
You hear me, right?
We hear you now.
Oh, so I thought you were hearing. Okay. All right. I think my network is disturbing. We shall create again. We shall create again until we do it. My network shows it. Is misbehaving. For me, fortunately, you aren't. My network seems to be down.
Mr. Abe, share as you were explaining so that people can understand.
I was muted. I didn't know that. Hey, sorry, guys. I'm here speaking. I think I'm speaking to someone. Okay. Sorry about that. I thought I was speaking to someone. Sorry, guys. I thought I was speaking to you. Hey. Okay, let us run a little bit. Only that my network is kicking me out. Let's do it. Okay. I'll send the code. You tap, when you don't tap to send the code, it will not go there. You tap from the email. I think this is not the letter. Okay.
Okay, leaders, let me try to do this. I thought my network would be cutting, but it seems let me try to do this very, very fast. I thought my network would be cutting, but it seems it's better. So let me share my screen. So what we need to do, there are a few simple steps for us to do the API binding. One, if you have not done API binding before, when you come here to your Binance, it is just called replacing. So what I mean is this, you just tap on replace, okay? Then you go to your Binance exchange, all right? If you have not yet logged in, you make sure you log into your Binance. You make sure you log into your Binance, and after having successfully logged in, you tap on send code, and this code really is received on your message. Then you copy the message, and you come and paste in the message. So I've successfully now logged into my Binance exchange. Immediately you have logged in, you need to turn it from Binance Pro, from Binance Lite to Binance Pro. So immediately I'll be able to turn this to Binance Pro. Now, when you do this, you come here at home, tap on more. When you tap on more, it will automatically bring you here where we tap on API management. And now when you tap on API management, it straight away brings you to where we create the API. Now, the important notes are the following. One, you need now to delete all like I've done. And immediately you have deleted all, then write in the word royal queue again, okay? Then you tap on create. Get code to your email, get code to your phone number. Immediately I've done that, I'll come to my messages. I've got the code, I copy the code and I insert it here. This is the one from the phone, right? Then I'm going to check my email. Okay, then I'm going to be checking my email to see if I've also got the code to my email. It is a simple process, ladies and gentlemen. Then I put in the code on my email. I have it here, 225819. Okay, sorry, 19. Then I submit. Now I have created the API, ladies and gentlemen. Immediately after creating, you tap on edit, tap on this arrow below, then you tick enable spot and margin trading. Then down here, we have where there is restricted access. That's where you tap, minimize the page, go back here to your royal queue, copy. Then after copying, bring it. Okay, now let me just share my screen and complete. Sorry for that. Like I informed you before, I'm a verifier. Okay, now here is our Binance, and okay, here is our Binance, and when tap more, we go to API management. Like you see, I'm trying to make sure I run fast, so that by the time my network cuts off again. So we have already created. Now what we need to do, we tap edit. Now this is important. If you make the API binding and find that it looks like this one, when this is locked, then you need to repeat again. What do? You delete all again, okay? And then write in the word royal queue again. You tap on create. Get code again to the email, which I'm going to get. Just a minute, I'm getting my email. Okay, so I get the email, the code to the email, which is 388560. Then I get that of the phone. I minimize. I copy. Then I come back here, I paste. Then I create. So I'm done. So the next stage is to edit. We enable spot and margin trading. Then we tap on the restrict access here. So we pick the code from our royal queue here. I think because of what I'm going now, we copy this. So that is what mainly we need to do. This is just replacing. Then when you replace, then you confirm. You save what you have replaced. And the rest is as simple as copying the API code and the security code, and you are done with the API binding. As simple as that. So nothing has changed. What we need to do, those who have done API before, you now need to do only okay. Now you see after this, it is simple. So you copy the API key, bring it back here, paste it in, come back again, copy the secret key, bring it in, also paste it here. Then you tap on get verification code. So you put in the verification code. Which I have also received, which is 415629. Okay. Then I click I have read, and I've finally bounded. So that is how simple this process is, specifically for Binance. So that's what I wanted to share. In case you have a question, feel free. My network will be cutting off, but Leader Ape will be taking over. Thank you so much. About presentation. Leader Abe, could you take over?
Yes, please. Hello. I'm trying to use another device so that I can hear, I think, better. The network is not so fine. Okay, thank you, Leader Julius, for that sharing. I know people have questions here about the API binding. I think if it is specifically there, then we can go ahead to have you and then you get your question answered here. Okay. I think Leader Julius. Are you there, Leader Julius? Are you there? I think he left. Oh. Okay. Let me just see. Okay. I can see people raising up their hands. Leader Julius, are you there? Oh, I think he left. Okay. All right. Okay, let me see the people that we have and they have questions here. I think I'll start with Henry. Let me see. Let me hear your question. I made you co-host. You can unmute and ask. Henry.
Yeah, hello, good morning. Hello, can you hear me? Good morning.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Yeah, I'm Sir Henry Doro. Yeah, yesterday I rebanned my API. It's barely 24 hours when I used the first strategy. But I discovered I've lost my trade in my robot. And I tried, doing the new process yesterday by replacing. And up to now, I cannot find my trade. It's only one is popping on. I have about two, but only one is popping up. And that one seems like, I don't know if perhaps you can permit me to share my screen with you so you can get to understand what I'm saying.
Continue sharing your screen. You have the authority.
All right. Thank you, sir. Thank
Continue
you, sir.
sharing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay. Hello?
Yes, I'm hearing.
Yeah,
Continue.
this is what I'm saying here. This is what I'm saying here. Okay, yeah, this is my my home. And ever since yesterday, when I rebind my API, this you are seeing here didn't pop up. I have to go back and and click on it and did what I did before it pop up here. And initially, it used to have under the cycle, it used to have strategies synchronized. It used to have synchronized strategy as a symbol to me, the way I understand that I am safe. And I also have another strategy I'm also trading on, which is OMG/USD. And that has definitely pulled off from the wall. So I want to reput it back where it belongs to, where this I am having here is. So I don't know how to re-strategize or to bring it back. I think that is my challenge for now. But if if you might doubt me, you can see how my API is if it's in order. To me, I did it perfectly yesterday, but I'm not having trade.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you for the question, Sir Henry. There, here we are seeing that you have one coin. So
Yeah.
it looks like you can clean the trash. It shows that you're having one coin. That is the ETH blocking USDT, and that is how it is doing so far. Now, it shows that you have one coin. I don't know whether when you were setting you bought one coin. How much capital do you have?
I have about 2 coins. This one
Sir Henry,
pop up after my.
how much
Yeah,
capital do
can you
you
hear
have?
me? Yeah, I'm having within dollars or 100 within 100. So I took $110 to my account. So I think I'm left
210.
with about 90.
Ah,
Yeah.
eh. So, tap, okay. First tap circle. Tap the word circle.
Okay.
Which strategy are you using?
Cycle.
Eh.
Yeah.
Okay. Which strategy are you using?
I'm using the first coin you saw was Avengers.
You're using
Avengers.
you're using Chuchu, right?
Yeah, Avengers. Hello?
You're using Avengers. Okay.
Yes.
Go up here and put Avengers. Let us first see. Go up there. Let us first see what you have. Put in Avengers. Search Avengers and let us.
And this is it. Can you see it?
Abe, Mr. Abe.
Tap it. Yes, please.
This leader is already trading very well. He needs to take time. He'll understand the business slowly. You cannot understand everything when he has just started. Let him be patient. He's trading with his one coin.
No, sorry, sir. Hello, can you hear me? I have 2 coins. I was trading with 2 coins.
Okay.
And it's only one is popping,
It
and
shows
the other
that
one is not.
Yeah, the trader might have closed the coin when the market went up and the coin could have sold off. It may not be trading right now.
No, since yesterday, after I rebind my API, the 2 of them popped in, like one popped in and one didn't pop in. Can you get my point?
But currently you have one coin trading currently.
Yes,
So I
initially I
think we
was
can
trading.
hold it like Julius.
Initially I was trading with 2 coin, and after the binding, the 2 coin
Mm-hmm.
disappear. I have to, re-strategize this one. The one has been synchronized, which is the Avengers, but the other one couldn't pop up because I don't know much about it. So I need the other coin to pop one. The other coin seems to be more faster than this. Are you getting my point?
Mm-hmm. I'm
Like
getting you.
initially,
Now what we do,
yeah, this is what I was saying. Initially, I have this, and each time I did this, OMG, each time I did this, eventually it disappeared. This is what I was having, and it appears that I'm having 2 coin here. Here is the 2 coin is trading here. But each time I do this within a short period of while, it disappeared. The OMG, I was trading with this 2 coin, and all of a sudden, it's not staying here. It's not appearing here. Suddenly, within a period of time, this will disappear from here, and only the ETH will be
okay,
only this.
okay. I think it is the trader that is taking it away from the line. Good enough, it is soon selling off. Just let it be. It shows that it is. Don't you see? It is moving. So good enough. It shows it is in blue. I think that is good news for you.
Yes, but I am
Let it
saying
be, Sir
it's
Henry. Let
not,
that be. First wait.
because at the end of, I am not getting
Mm.
notification on when it is and when it says. So how do I know what next? I'm not getting, the last time I got notification that was yesterday. Are you getting my point? That
When
means I
it
should
is
know when
sold
it
off,
buys.
the robot will notify you.
For the past 24
Mm.
hours,
And when it is
it
sold off,
hasn't.
the robot will notify you.
Yes, initially
I'm getting
before,
you.
but now it is not showing up. Shows that it's not working. It's not giving me notification for the past 2 days now. So what's the problem? Who could it be? The only one the robot shows that is buying and selling is that of the ETH. But
Okay.
initially,
The
you can
robot will
see,
notify you.
yeah, initially you can see it notifying me about the OMG when each time it says and it buys, it notified me about this. That was as of Thursday last week. But now, since after the rebanding, it went off. Then I have to put this one back, and this one stands, and you can see only this. And that was the last time I had notification was only yesterday, and it's not showing me buying or selling. I don't have problem. I don't have problem with the Ethereum. I don't have problem with the Ethereum, but the one I'm having problem with the OMG, which I need to into my wallet to add my trade so that it could be going. That's all. You can help me out.
Okay, let it be. Let it first get sold off. Sir Henry, let the coin,
Sir.
let the robot continue with the work.
Okay.
It is already showing blue. That is good news. It is soon selling in there, being traded. Let it be. Hope I'm understandable, sir.
Yeah, but the point
Okay,
is that this is going to
thank you.
disappear within a brief manner now.
You can see we have.
No.
It will show off. Don't.
Okay.
It will show off. Okay.
Okay. So then, can you see my API binding? Is it okay, right? I don't need to. Hold on. Network is slow here. You can see it's okay, right? Hello. Are you with me? Hello? Don't leave me come out. Hello? Oh, shh. Hello? Hello?